Kevmase exclusive.
Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show. Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show.
Man, I'm the young nigga that rhymes so tight. Yeah, I do so good. I don't know how you feel about it. Don't care how you do about it. Time you all gotta switch. Your girls be coming around saying your mind is really distorted. Boy, you gotta do something about it. So I'm catching all of that body. Talk about shit that lottie. I'm too good, she know that. I'm all up under that party. Popping bottles like it's just Tuesday, but it feels like it's just Friday. I do fresh, I feel fresh. I do it like I'm so good.
Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show. Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show.
What's up, niggas? I'm Kevmase. I come from Gems like real mess. Got a funky face, no fresh face with a lot of cash, never gonna catch. These niggas know that I'm hard to get. Nobody give a charge where you come from them. On the way, Chris Brown does a come to them. Only just screaming piss in the magazine. We're boom, the block, hip hop is it. Popping up all those hip hop is it. No party checking up on music, right? When the whites just change, just play on songs. We chill good, we saw who. When the one gets drunk, it's all pro. Just Africa, we African. One time for the world, we
Man, I'm too
African.
good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show. Man, I'm too good and these niggas know. Ride around and we gotta blow. We throwing parties, we gotta flows. These chicks be sleep and they gotta show.
Yeah, it's your boy Joe Weezy. My boy Kevmase standing aside. Always doing this. You always liking it and you always poking. Always talking that you always want to do this. You always want to do this with us, you know what I'm talking about. We always gonna do it. And we drop this with my boys. You know what I'm talking about? You like it or hate it, and you just keep on hating, cause the hate that you drop is the thing that keeps us going. So it doesn't kill us, makes your chicks like us.
Kevmase exclusive.